Welcome back. Hurricane Milton has maintained its Category 5 status. Wind speeds have only decreased marginally, and we are still seeing sustained winds of 160 miles an hour with wind gusts to 200. It has maintained that Cat 5 status since 5 o'clock, and now that is over 6 hours of time. Wednesday night is when landfall is expected in just a little over 24 hours. The latest satellite imagery still shows you a very evident eye of the storm, and that is characteristic of a Cat 5 high-end hurricane. Now, what's amazing is the weather is rather tranquil in West Florida. In fact, winds are only at around 15 miles an hour in Tampa, so it's just about as breezy in Florida as it is in Ohio right now. That is going to change very quickly over the next 12 to 24 hours. It is expected to weaken to a Category 4 at some point tomorrow. Now, there is some data that does make landfall as a low-end Cat 4. Either way, the impacts are going to be substantial between the storm surge and the flooding, whether it is a Cat 3 or a Cat 4 at that time of landfall. Now, there is still a bit of spread among computer models, with some outliers showing it south of Fort Myers, other outliers showing it north of Tampa. But overall, most of the data starting to converge on a center point that is likely to occur south of Tampa, where the eye of that storm passes. And if you aggregate all those models together, here is what the best data is showing us. We are looking at a landfall south of Tampa, north of Fort Myers, that is set to occur in a little over 24 hours time. There are hurricane warnings that are in effect, shown by that red color. And in fact, this is going to impact the other coast of Florida as well, just not quite to the same magnitude. Those strong winds are going to be felt in about 24 hours time as the eye passes just to the south of Tampa Bay. Here's a look at your forecast locally. Sunny and pleasant conditions. No impacts of Milton as we have a quiet weather pattern continuing. You are just going to need that light jacket at the bus stop. Chilly and sunny conditions. Low 40s out the door. Here's a snapshot of that hour-by-hour forecast. West of I-75, that is where it's going to be the coldest tomorrow morning. The afternoon, sunny and comfortable, highs near 70, and we'll keep the sunshine rolling. The one difference you'll notice is Friday is going to provide a brief warm-up, but temperatures will come crashing down. Dry weather is expected for much of that 10-day forecast, with our only rain chance coming Sunday into Monday as a strong autumn cold front sweeps in from the northwest. That cold front is going to usher in a chill next week. In fact, those daytime highs may struggle to reach 60, and overnight lows are going to be in the upper 30s. With that cool down will come the chance for a bit of patchy frost and an overall cooler trend heading towards that 10-day forecast.